guys, välkommen tillbaka. Welcome back to my channel. I am Katie if you're new. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. What it do? So today we've got this unit to install for you guys, and as you can see, I've got some fringe going on. Don't worry, I did do this on camera. So yeah, I must say I'm definitely proud of this. And yeah, so if you would like to see how I installed and styled this unit, keep on watching. So today's video is in partnership with MyShinyWigs, and that's the packaging it comes in. You guys have definitely seen this company on my channel before, and yes, I'm just showing you guys close up of the lace and the hairline and everything. As you can see, this is a 13x6 lace frontal unit, and you've got two combs on the sides, one in the middle and one at the back as well. So now I'm just adding some foundation onto the lace, just my regular black opal foundation stick in the shade Suede Mocha. So now I'm just adding a little bit more on top of the lace, just so it melts much better to my skin. In today's video, I will be using my ORS Fix It spray and the bed head hard head spray as well. And I'm just basically doing my regular install. I'll just let you guys watch me do this bit, and I'll come back when I'm doing the fringe. See how well this lace just melted into my skin. Like, come on now, this is just flawless, absolutely amazing. Look at that. All right, let me let you guys watch. So let's get into cutting off this fringe. So what I did first was just section out some hair, and yeah, so you just want to make sure you have the right amount that you want to cut. I can't really tell you exactly how much to basically section out. I just went with what I felt was right, or what I felt like I needed. And
by the way, guys, I am not a hairstylist, nor am I a professional at this. I just literally went with my gut feeling and just did it. So I used my shears to actually cut off my bangs, as you can see there, as it basically gives you a very jagged and very basically just what you want. It doesn't give you a straight line across. So you see me here using my hot comb, just basically trying to shape it into some form of, you know, bang, just to see how, if I like it, the length it is or not. You'll basically see me going back and forth, cutting and adding some hair and stuff. But yeah, that's basically it. Like I didn't use scissors at all. Actually, yeah, I did. The only time I used scissors was basically when I was just cutting the bangs in a vertical motion, just to kind of like thin it out so it doesn't look too bulky at the bottom. But yeah, I'll just let you guys watch it, because me trying to explain this, that's just, yeah. So hopefully when you guys watch it, you probably understand a bit better. And yeah, this is what I ended up with, and I'm absolutely pleased with it. It's basically the perfect fringe for me, on my face. Yeah, I'm very proud of how it came out. So now I'm just hot combing the hair, just so it gives me that flat and flawless look. But yeah, I must say I'm absolutely loving this fringe moment I have going on. And yeah, can we just appreciate this lace, the lace melt? Like, come on, this is absolutely flawless. And yeah, let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Is this something you would try? Do you like bangs? You know, let me know.
Guys, this is the final look. This is what we achieved, and I've got this wispy fringe going on. I absolutely love it. And as you can see, once again, MyShinyWigs delivered with the good lace, because it's literally melted into my skin. Absolutely amazing. Yeah, so let's get into the specs of this unit. This is a 13 by 6 lace front unit. This was initially a body wave unit, however I did go in and straighten it, and as you can see, it looks a bone straight and it's so silky. And yeah, and this is also 180% density, so it is quite thick, quite nice amount of hair, so quite happy about that. And this is also 24 inches, I believe. And yeah, so let's go into the pros and cons. First things first, obviously the unit is a 13 by 6. However, it's basically the newer version of a 13 by 6. I'm sure you guys have seen this going around lately, where you get basically just 2 inches of space around your ears, and then you've got like basically the 6 inch just in the crown bit. That's one thing I must say I did not like, because it did restrict me from plucking as much as I wanted to. So yeah, that's something to bear in mind of. Yeah, I think that's basically all I have to say in terms of cons, because yeah, MyShinyWigs always deliver when it comes to the lace. It's always melted. That's pro number 1, always melted. As you can tell, you can see it melts so well, and I did not even use glue. So yeah, another thing, this unit is actually body wave. However, I did go in and straighten it. As you can see, it is bone straight, and can you see the luster and how silky it looks? Absolutely amazing, love that. As you could tell, I can run my hands through this unit. It is tangle free. Absolutely love that. I haven't experienced any shedding whatsoever. Amazing. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else for me to say. MyShinyWigs always delivers with the lace, the good quality. Absolutely love. So yeah, that's all I've got to say about this unit. Make sure to check down below in the description box for the specs and details. So if you guys do enjoy this video and the install, please do not forget to hit that like button, and also do not forget to subscribe and join the fam so we can slay these wigs together. And yeah, so thank you to MyShinyWigs for sponsoring this video, and thank you for clicking onto this video and watching. So I will catch you in my next one. Bye.